I have a 2009 Chevy Colorado 2.9 liter. I'm replacing the air pump check valve, and it's located right here on the right side of the engine. You gotta remove your dipstick, the 10mm on the bottom, and the two 13 bolts is holding it. There's one connector on top, and here's the new check valve. So 2 bolts, 1 hose, 1 connector. Here's the old check valve. I'm gonna reuse the old gasket, and before you put it back, make sure you clean the surface of it. Make sure it's smooth. Now I got the new check valve in. Make sure you don't forget your gasket. Here's the code for the check valve, secondary air injection system. We're gonna clear it now. Should be good to go now.